Hi there, my name's Forex, and I'm here to share with you my trading strategies. Yeah, so trading is not hard. It's really not that hard at all. Now, I have this flagship strategy which I call the rocket booster strategy. Now, I think I was around like last week. I was working on another strategy, and the strategy I was working on last week, you could refer to it as a double top pattern, and working on the double top pattern was a very huge, very huge challenge. All right, and I used Finviz, so I'm going to show you what I did. All right, no, maybe next time. Maybe next time I'll show you the strategy. We'll switch the screener because the screener is called Finviz. It's different from TradingView. So for now, we're going to focus on TradingView. So now I'm going to share with you the strategy and how I did it. So when you come to TradingView, you come to SEX screener. Okay, you come to SEX screener. Now on the SEX screener, this is strategy number 2 which I have been working on. So I have about one strategy, and that one strategy is what I use to buy Bitcoin. And right now the buy signal in Bitcoin is gone. Alright, so in this case, where you are relying on one strategy, what do you do when that buy signal is gone? So what happens is, ideally, most likely you need a strategy that you can fall back on. So I have this strategy, forex.gold. Now the way this strategy is, it uses the rocket booster strategy. So the rocket booster strategy has got like 3 indicators. So the first indicator is the parabolic SAR, which you can see right here, represented by these dots there. That's the first indicator. And the second indicator is the 50-day moving average, represented by the blue line. Alright, maybe let me just increase my internet bandwidth. Okay, it disappeared. Just a second. Alright, I think we should have better network now. Hoping the bandwidth will increase. Alright, I think we have better network there. Okay, so basically what it is that there are 3 indicators to the strategy. So the first indicator is the parabolic, which is represented by these blue dots here, the parabolic SAR, and then the second indicator is the 50-day moving average. Then the third indicator is the 200-day moving average. I don't know why it's slow. Let me just pause it. Alright, so I just refreshed the page. Let's see what we have here now. Hopefully it will be a little bit faster. Come on. So this strategy basically, if you're using 50x on Forex, it will give you about 40% per month. So there is volatility. You may be tempted to take profits, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. If you make 200% profit, ideally you should take that profit. So the maximum take profit is about 186%. There we go. So the strategy is very easy. So basically you use the 50-day moving average here. Okay, you come here, then you say manual setup, then you say 50-day You put a 50 here, you put a day, then the 50-day moving average should be below the price. You apply that here. The second thing is you come here again, on your setup, you say the 200-day moving average should be below the exponential moving average of the 50-day moving average on the day. After you do that, the last thing you need to do is call the parabolic SAR. So on the parabolic SAR, you want it to cross down on the price in the day. Cross down on the price in the day, you apply that. Then finally you want it to gap, so you say 0% and above. This is the one that you select. All right, so it's right here. You just say 0% and above. Then this is exactly what will happen. Now we're using cryptocurrency. Now the reason why we're using crypto is because a long time ago there used to be a forex trading screener called ICE, and then the president of the United States, the vice president, I think her name is, I've forgotten the name of the vice president, but one of the presidents of America actually blocked this exchange. And so because I think it was the president of America at that point, they blocked this exchange. And so after that moment, you were not able to scan for financial markets. It was during a war period, and it was not it wasn't safe anymore. And so we had to change the strategy. We had to change and start using crypto screeners. So this screener is very, very, very powerful, and I trust it so much. It was something I discovered at the same time when I discovered how to trade Bitcoin. It was something that I discovered, so it is so powerful. It is so powerful because let me show it to you because I want you to see it. So this is it right here. Okay, this is it right here. So this trading account, this paper trading account has been fixed with a 50x margin. So we're going to trade it right now. This is very important, okay? You have to trade it immediately you see it. Leverage, it's saying 1x. Right, that's crazy. Okay. Okay, I'm going to have to destroy one account. Let's destroy this one. Set it. Do we have 50x here? We say 50x crypto. Right. Let's reset that account. So we're going to trade it at 50x. Alright. So that's $1,000 at 50x. So I don't know how much you're risking. Let me see if we can make a calculator. So we have an average of, let's say, $70 over 1,000. Okay, that's about 6. So you're risking about 6% of your account. All right. So this is it, man. This is the strategy. So this position you're supposed to hold it. All right, you hold this position for 4 months. Let me see if I can get the paint here. So you have to hold this position for about 4 months, right? So you kind of have to hold the position for about 4 months, right? So if we can do this, right? So you hold this. So you hold it for about 4 months, and it's about 50x margin. You're risking about 10 to 6%, but then your profit so every 4 months. So that's how much you are risking. So within 4 months you'll be making about 45% every 4 months. You're risking about 10 to 6%. Your margin is 50x, and remember it's a 4-month move, right? So what you're doing is Forex players cracking. So this is it. All right, this is it. So that's the strategy. Now, will things change in the past? I don't know. Maybe things will change. Maybe they won't. But that's the strategy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please trade safe out there. Don't buy what I tell you to buy. Don't sell what I tell you to sell. Do your own research before you buy and sell anything. My name's on Forex. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.